Hydro Pneumatic Sales and Services Private Limited, previously known as Hydro Pneumatic Services, specializes in industrial piping for air, water, gas, and fluid systems, which are used for compressors, chillers, cooling towers, pumps, and gas bank installation. The company is founded by Mrs. Mangla Bedekar and Mr. Mukund Bedekar in 2008, with the aim to provide quality piping service to clients.
I am Mukund Bedekar. Right now we are doing aluminium, SS and MS pipeline. Now we want to offer our customers value-added services for HDPE pipeline and fire hydrant pipeline.
Way back in 2016, our fabrication unit was just 3,500 square feet at Ambethan Chakan. With our commitment, diligence and hard work, it has grown to a gigantic 14,000 square feet, a 300% growth. We believe in continuous improvement and constant innovation through learning and investing in new technologies such as PPRC piping, tubing, and aluminium piping. Our welders also specialized in argon piping for SS and MS. We understand the client's requirements and prioritize the project by providing AutoCAD drawings and timelines before starting the project. We have a network across India that can be utilized quickly to expedite the work and manage to offer cost-effective services to our clients. The use of cutting-edge equipment like battery-operated machines, plasma and argon machines, and as well magnetic drilling machines saves time. The in-house transport system helps us to move manpower and products quickly. Our engineers provide technical expertise in piping design and are skilled in installation. We deliver the best solution regardless of how complex the piping is to be done, and that's the reason why we are being preferred in the industry.
We are currently providing our services in 11 states. Now we are expanding our operations in other parts of India and also abroad.
So far, we have successfully done installations in leading companies like GE, Hendrickson, Bridgestone, SEC Cement, Tetra Pak, Mahindra CIE, Lumax, Kawasaki, Linamar, and so on. We at Hydro Pneumatic Sales and Services will keep providing the best piping solution to clients and industries and help them to flow towards success. Hydro Pneumatic Sales and Services Private Limited, one-stop piping solution under one roof. Keep flowing.